Welcome to Bitcoin World Crypto channel, and you are watching Spooky Shiba gaming platform review. This is the project based on Binance Smart Chain. Be the first to play the Spooky Shiba game. The most rewarding Stealth launched Shiba token. Token is already listed on PancakeSwap exchange and PooSwap exchange. It is also listed on CoinSpit exchange. This is the contract address. You can find this token on PancakeSwap exchange and PooSwap. Currently, it is going under maintenance. Set slippage to 10 to 12%, and then you can buy this token. This is the tokenomics detail. The most rewarding Stealth launched the Shiba token. Buy and hold Spooky Shiba to enjoy spooky big gain. Buy tax 7%, sell tax 7%, 3% marketing, and 4% for liquidity. And this is the roadmap detail: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5. And this is the team member of this project. When you click on white paper, this is the white paper of Spooky Shiba. Project revolves around the upcoming interlinked NFT marketplace in which Spooky Shiba token holders will be automatically entered into daily and weekly lotteries, which will feature unique horror theme scratch card game to win NFT prize. Created by Lon Paul, Spooky Shiba has brought a revolution to all horror and spooky lovers around the world. Spooky Shiba is one of the kind on the Binance Smart Chain network and will continue to grow each and every day. 13 quadrillion tokens have been burned and sent to the dead wallet with multiple future burn planned. And this is marketing information. Current marketing fund have been used to secure prominent YouTube and Twitter influencers advertise on multiple platforms including major exchanges. Trackers like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and place advertisement on all major social media outlets. And this is the detail. What is this scratch? Spooky Shiba holders of at least $100 will be automatically entered into daily and weekly lotteries in which they will play unique scratch card games to win prize, which will include one tied NFTs. Ownership of these NFTs allows the holders to participate in collection of marketplace royalties. And this is the detail of scratch card game tiers: rare 20 card, legendary 2 card, common 200 cards. And this is the detailed scratch card game information. The NFTs will have 3 different tiers: common, rare, and legendary. The higher the tier, the higher the percentage of royalties. A marketplace launch a set of 222 NFTs will be minted. 111 will be held as the prize for the weekly holders lotteries, while the other 111 will immediately made available on the marketplace. Future card set will be minted for seasonal events, and holding sets of each collection will allow for additional benefits including higher loyalty, participants, rates, NFTs, airdrops, access to community sponsored event, and much more. And the NFT marketplace information is also available here. Future plans, horror, metaverse. The interlinked ecosystem will powered by the Spooky Shiba token, and the community will participate in decision about where we go together. Upcoming plans include the purchase of a plot of land in a metaverse to be chosen. There will be built long for all Spooky Shiba holders to socialize and engage the community events. So this is the end of the video. I hope you will like this project. Thanks for watching.